Buysmart.ai has just been released, and it's causing quite a stir in the world of AI software. In this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this tool before diving in. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing my personal thoughts on whether it lives up to the hype and how it stacks up against other AI software you might already know. First off, Buysmart.ai is an AI-driven platform designed to optimize your e-commerce store, helping you automate product recommendations, improve sales conversions, and personalize the shopping experience for each customer. But is it really the best AI software for your business? Let's get into the details. One of the standout features of Buysmart.ai is its ability to learn from user behavior in real time. This means that as customers browse your store, the AI dynamically adjusts product recommendations based on their preferences and actions. It's not just showing them random products, it's offering personalized suggestions that make sense for each individual, which can significantly increase your sales potential. Another key feature is its integration with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. This seamless integration ensures that you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. You can set up Buysmart.ai in just a few minutes, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned digital marketers. In terms of automation, Buysmart.ai doesn't just stop at product recommendations. The platform also helps you automate marketing campaigns, such as email sequences and abandoned cart reminders, which are crucial for keeping potential customers engaged and coming back. This level of automation can save you countless hours, allowing you to focus on growing your business. One of the things I personally appreciate about Buysmart.ai is its simplicity. Many AI tools can be overwhelming and require a steep learning curve, but Buysmart. AI is designed to be user-friendly. Its intuitive interface means you won't be spending hours just trying to figure out how the software works. It's very straightforward, allowing you to set up and start using it right away. But what really sets Buysmart.ai apart from other AI tools is its robust analytics. The platform provides detailed insights into your customers' behavior, allowing you to track how your personalized recommendations are performing in real time. You can view key metrics like conversion rates, revenue per visitor, and overall sales performance, which is invaluable for optimizing your store's performance. It's also worth mentioning the price. Buysmart.ai offers a completely free trial, so you can test out the software and see if it works for you before committing. This is a huge advantage, especially if you're considering other AI platforms, but want to try something new without upfront costs. Now the big question, is Buysmart.ai worth it? After trying out thousands of AI tools in the digital marketing space, I can say that Buysmart.ai does a solid job of combining powerful features with ease of use. It's perfect for e-commerce store owners who want to boost their sales without spending too much time managing complex automation or product recommendations. Before I wrap this up, if you want to try Buysmart.ai for free, just click the first link in the description below. But don't leave just yet. I've got some other AI software recommendations you can try out too, which I've included in the description. These are tools I've personally tested and trust, and they might be exactly what you need to grow your business. So, if you're looking to enhance your e-commerce store's performance with AI-driven automation, Buysmart.ai is definitely worth a shot. Be sure to check out the free trial and see for yourself if it's the right fit for your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links below for the best AI tools I've personally vetted to help you take your business to the next level.